Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to sign up for a free Notion account. So if you didn't know already, Notion is like a digital workspace for note-taking, project management, and document collaboration. And they have like a pretty generous free plan. As you can see here, when I click on pricing, it's free for individuals to organize personal projects in life. And they give you quite a lot, so quite generous. So this is how you sign up. So you're going to head to notion.com, and then in the top right hand corner, click on Get Notion for free. Then it's going to prompt you how you would like to sign in. So you have different options. You can sign in with Google, Apple, Microsoft, a passkey or SSO, or your email. So I'm going to sign in with Google because it's just really convenient. So I'm going to click on my email address I want to use, click on continue, and then it's going to take me to an onboarding page. So it's going to ask me, how will I use Notion? So just want to put in a little bit of details here so your experience will be personalized. So I using it for work, personal life, or school. So I'm going to say for personal life. And you can also download the desktop app, but you don't have to do this. So for now, I'm going to skip it, and it should be getting my account ready. So that's how you sign up for a free Notion account. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe, and I will see you soon.